Good afternoon, students. So today we shall continue with our sum which we were doing for one room estimation, single room. So the plan you already have it. You can see here. So today we shall do the slab part, RCC roof slab. So you can see here in the diagram, the slab will be for the entire portion from here to here. So this will be 0.3 plus 5 meters plus 0.3, this will be 5.6, and this way again it will be 5.6. And the thickness of the slab you can see here, it is 0.15 meters. So we shall write it. So you can see here, we shall write it RCC roof slab 150 mm thick in 1:2:4 cement mortar. So it will be one slab we are going to do. Length will be 5.6, breadth will be 5.6 and depth will be 0.15 meters. So multiplying all these three together, we are getting 4.704 meter cube. Our total will be 4.70 meter cube. Our next part will be the internal painting. We are going to paint the walls and the ceiling. So first we shall take the ceiling. So one ceiling size is 5 meters inside and again 5 meters breadth, and you are getting 5 into 5 will be 25 meter square. Then we shall paint the inside walls. So it is 20 meters. Again same thing as plastering, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4 times 5, because of the room size is 5 by 5. So you can see here height is 3 meters. That is the room height. So multiplying 20 into 3 will give you 60 meter square, and our total will be 85 meter square. So then the deductions, here also we will have to deduct the openings. So door will be 1, size is 1.2 into 2.1 meters, no breadth, it will be 2.52 meter square, multiplying these two. And window is 3 windows we have, 1.2 by 1.2, and multiplying all these three we are getting 4.32 meter square. So our deduction total will be 6.84 meter square. From 85 meter square you are going to deduct 6.84 meter square, and we are going to get 78.16 meter square. That will be a net total of our internal plastering. So our next part will be external painting. Painting we are doing. So this will be for the calculations we did were for painting. Understood? So it is internal painting. So again external painting. These two will be same as plastering only, but we cannot write it like that. We will have to do the calculations. So painting long wall, external you can see 2 long walls are there. Length will be 5.6 and depth will be 3.85. We have already done the calculations. So multiplying all these three, we are going to get 43.12 meter square. Then you have short wall 2, 5.6, 3.85 is the depth, and 43.12 again we are getting the calculation. So our total both of them adding is 86.24 meter square. That is the external painting. We are painting up to the parapet. So after that we have to fix the doors and windows. So teak wood panelled door. So one door we have for that room. Size will be 1.2, no breadth, 2.1 is the height, and we are getting 2.52 meter square. Total will be 2.52 meter square. So then partly panelled and partly glazed windows. So in the diagram plan we have 3 windows. So size will be 1.2 by 1.2. This is the breadth and this is the height. So multiplying all these three we are getting 1.44 meter square. So total will be 1.44 meter square. Okay, so you should practice this by taking another single room and doing all the calculations again. Understood? Okay, we shall continue again